That's it. I didn't finish all the chicken, so I'm going to eat it tonight. I'll eat that tonight. Yo, it is now 12:08 in my computer. 12:10. I'm going to prepare. I'm just going to wash this, and then I'll be preparing myself to take a shower, and then we're going to work. Oh, I got an idea. You know this rice and chicken that I didn't finish. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Yeah, don't worry, this scissor is a kitchen scissor. I have this scissor just here in the kitchen. Yeah, for food. Add an additional more flavor. Yeah. Okay, so tonight when I finish my duty and I get home, that is going to be my dinner. Yeah, that is going to be my dinner tonight. Yeah, we are ready to go. Yo, it is a little windy today. Actually, so much windy today. Yo, good morning, guys. I don't know the time, maybe 10 o'clock or 11, I don't know. Well, look at that. There is one small stingray. Stingray? Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, nice. If you remember before, when I was swimming on that side, yeah, beside me is a big stingray. Yeah, a lot of people are fishing this time. Look at that. If you see the water, it's really clear. Yeah, it's like a small coral, a shallow coral. I'm actually here because I'm looking for Chef Alessandro, because maybe it's somewhere here. Oh, looks like he cut something. Nice. Awesome. They have all the complete, perfect gear for fishing. It is easy for them to fish because they have car. They can bring all the fishing gear they need. Chef Alessandro's day of today. He is actually inviting us to go fishing, but I have work today. And Inigo also is planning to bring me to fish with Chef Alessandro. I think he's going to call me later, but yeah, since I'm outside, I don't think I will go with them, but I'll try to find Chef Alessandro maybe I also wanted to, to capture a video. Chef Alessandro catching big fish. He always catch big fish. Okay, Chef Alessandro is not here. We try to look for him in another spot, fishing spot. I used to ride in that Imagine cruise line before. It's going to do a tour along this water, and they are going to see some dolphins. That is where we came from. That's the other side of the breakwater, and there are many people fishing on that side. If you can see the difference of the color, it is darker because there is a sudden dip of the water on this side. Yeah, as you can see, there are many people who are fishing on that side. Yeah, nice. And we're going to the other side. Here in Australia, you can actually fish in most area, but there are some special place, dedicated place that is not for fishing. Like this one, this is a sanctuary zone. We're fishing, picking up rocks and other things coming from that sanctuary area. It's not allowed. Yeah. And this is actually the place where people do the snorkeling. And we are now here in the little beach. As you can see, there is one restaurant on that side, and there is also a fishing area here. People sometimes are swimming here. No, during summer people are swimming here, and people are fishing there. Yeah, also there is another fishing spot on that side. Actually, everywhere here in Nelson Bay, Port Stephen, most of the place you can fish. Chef Alessandro is not even here. There is just one guy. They're doing some improvements. I don't know what they're going to do with that. Oh, there is one tree they cut in here. What they're going to do with this? Feeling like a fool. Yeah, Chef Alessandro is not there also. Look at this. I'm going to show it to you. So basically, in most places, you're going to see something like this. This is a bait bento machine where it's open 24 hours, where you can get some bait for your fishing. Live nitrate scabies, $10. Prawns, $8. Yeah, those are some of the bait that you can use for your fishing around the area. It's nice. Also tweed bait available inside. Even in the grocery, petrol station, and shop, you will always find where you can buy a bait. This is the first time that this bike is coming to this side of the beach. Yeah, the other one, the Pat Tire bike that I have before, it's always coming here because that bike is good in the sand. This one is no. As you see, it is stopped right away. The Pat bike that I have before can drive and reach this area without pushing it, by driving it instead. Okay, we're just leaving the bike here. We're going to look for Chef Alessandro. Maybe he is here. There is a couple, an old couple. They are relaxing. Nice. And there is one guy swimming. There's one lady sunbathing, one guy fishing. There are more people fishing on that side. We're going to Shoal Bay. Yeah, there is a fishing area on that side, the Shoal Bay. We will go there. Before, when I have my Pat Tire bike, I used to drive from here all the way to that side with just the bike pedaling, and it's easy because the tire can go in the sand. Really nice, that bike, but yeah, I sold that already. I sold it for $350 to Mr. Brett. If you see those, they are a group of they are going to fish. Bonding. Yeah, you see fishermen everywhere. There's one guy fishing on that side. There's one lady swimming there. And we keep on going. Okay, we're going to get closer to those people fishing on that side. And these actually are some of the, the NSW government, Department of Primary Industries, legal bag and size limit for saltwater species. Yeah, these are the different fish that you can catch in the water here in Port Stephen. Yeah. Okay, we're going to walk here. Bike is not allowed in this area, but we are not riding, we're just walking. Oh, the music that I am hearing that is playing in my earphone is good today. I will stop it because I will reserve it for later when I am on the way. I will be singing along with it. A lot of people are fishing here. Okay, Chef Alessandro is not around. Yeah, I've been to all the easy access fishing area, but I didn't see him. He is maybe somewhere in the middle of that white sand. One of those guys fishing there, but it's not really easy access for me because I need to leave the bike unattended if I go that side. Other possibility is maybe Chef Alessandro is on the other side of that mountain. Yeah, because there is a fishing site on that side. If you've seen my video before where I am with the other kids and they caught a shark. Yeah, a baby shark. Yeah, it's on that side of the mountain. There is something like a cliff and the fishing spot on the area.
Snags?
Snags, what is this?
It's pretty sure you get caught on a rock.
Ah, what is, look at that. What's that? Is a shark?
Yep.
It's a shark?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And on the other side of this bushland is another fishing area, but less people are fishing on that side because that is facing to the ocean. So it's very much wavy on that side. And the time now is, I don't know what is the time. I think maybe 11 or 12 o'clock because I don't have a watch. I am relying on my mobile phone for the time. I never had a watch. Even before I was studying in high school, college, I don't have watch. Yeah, never had one. Okay, probably Chef Alessandro is still in the house, or maybe on the other side of Port Stephen. Maybe he is in the Soldiers Point area. Yeah, in Anna Bay area. Maybe he's fishing there because he is day of today and tomorrow also. The residential area here in Port Stephen, particularly the area of Anna Bay, Nelson Bay, Shule Bay, Pingal Bay, they are near to the beach, to the water. So going fishing is really a good idea. I mean, it's easy access with your car, maybe 5-10 minutes or less. Yeah, and you can actually go by walking or with your bike. Yeah, if you happen to be living here, fishing is going to be one of your hobby. Okay, we are going home now. We're just going to drop by in the grocery. This is the only seafood section they have here in Woolworth. Yeah, it's a small section of seafoods. Maybe that is one of the reason why, I don't know. I think the reason why seafood section here in Australia, in the grocery here in Australia, are small is because, yeah, you can actually fish in any body of the water around Australia. Like here, this place is surrounded by water, so you can fish anytime, anywhere you want. You can catch fish for, a little effort. Yeah, compared to if you buy fish from here, it's a little expensive. For me, actually, I feel that the fish in the grocery are expensive.